So I thought I'd show you a little quickie on how to deal with these guys. Hi! They've got their heads on, not for long. This is the body, or known as the tail, and that's the head. Just twist, that guy comes off. Oh, there's some squishy stuff, just get rid of it. Then, grab the legs, twist around the body, and remove the shell. If you want to leave the tail on, stop at the last section there. There you go. If you want to remove the tail, give that portion a little squeeze just to release it, and then pull. Now, just like you and me, there's a little poop chute that goes along the corner here. Take a little knife, make a slight incision, and sometimes you'll see one, and sometimes you don't. This one has one. So, unless you want to eat what that little guy ate, I would take this out. And now he's ready to go. However, never throw out the shells. Always collect the shells. Any kind of shrimp that you're using or making, even crab, whatever, stick them in the freezer. And when you got enough, you can make an amazing shrimp stock or crustacean stock that you can use in all kinds of great stuff. Want to know what? Come back.